These are German tools, and we started about 3 years ago to build some tools for the bike. But we have different kind of tools for mechanic, for automotive, electrician, automation. We have a full range of product, and it's all based on end user having a problem with different tools.
But I
So
think that's the best tool for a bike mechanic. Because I
yeah,
know I
yeah,
always
definitely.
use the Wera on my
We
toolbox.
we only have compliment about our tools. This is the standard LMT. So when you use it, there's only the point working. So the more you use it, the more you're gonna wear that point there.
Right.
So what we did, we changed the geometry of it. So you got 30% more contact, so it will last much longer. And at the end, the screw will become the same shape of my key.
We are a German industrial company that happened to make the greatest tool for bicycle application. So I don't know if you heard about the Axe Plus technology. So it's just fantastic on bicycles since all the bicycle parts are usually soft metal such as alloys. So this allows you to not strip your bolt basically. So this is fantastic. The other pretty cool thing that we have here is the speed torque. So this one allows you to go from 2 to 6 Newton meters. It's a screwdriver torque wrench. So basically if you need to adjust your brake lever, cockpit, anything on your bicycle that contact with carbon, this is your go-to. It comes in a kit with all the bits with the hex shape that I just told you about. It's very easy to adjust. So you can go from 2 to 6 Newton meters as easy as that. You don't have to put it back to zero since it's a slip action torque wrench. And the other thing that is pretty cool is that you can lock it and use it as a screwdriver. So if you need to do some bicycle maintenance on your rear derailleur, you can use it as a screwdriver to adjust your gear. And if you fall and you need to put your brake lever back together and at the specific torque, you just put whatever you need for, and then you're good to go. So this is the very compact one that works fantastic on bicycle. It's my go-to to just leave it in the car, and then you're ready to ride. You do some very quick bolt check on your bicycle, and then you're off to ride. So
Carry. It doesn't need to.
no, no, not this one. Once it's every single torque wrench needs to be calibrated at one point. In 10 years, maybe you're gonna have to buy a new one. It can be calibrated, but the price of this one and the calibration is almost the same. So sometimes it doesn't really matter. You just buy a new one once you know that you have used it plenty of time. So that's pretty much it. Those big one will be the big torque wrench. This is a very cool one, dual head with the X-bit drive. So you can have it in a square bit drive, but this one is the X shape. The cool part with this one is very easy to adjust. So you have the dual dial here, very easy to adjust, very precise as well. So in the contrary of most torque, sometimes it's hard to read and everything. This one has also the torque on, torque off option. So this allows you to loosen up your screw with this torque wrench, which is something you're usually not supposed to do with a torque wrench. And then when you're ready to put it back together and put it at torque, you just slide this sleeve back in, and then you can put it at torque. So this is fantastic product. The other thing we have is for the everyday user would be some very compact kit like that comes with the chain link pliers. You have the small tiny mighty ratchet, all the bits that you need, a chain breaker here that is hidden, so very easy to work with. This one is a little bit pimped out because I had to put this tire lever. This is my personal one for my bicycle wrenching in the parking lot. But yeah, those are pretty cool too. This is just a regular kit with all the bits and ratchet that you would ever need to work on your bike for some simple maintenance. This is the lightest multi-tool kit that you can own, basically. For the weight weenies, that's your go-to. It's 36 grams or 37 grams, very, very light. You have 3 tire lever, valve core remover here, and 2 bits. So just have to put it all together like that. You snap those two and you put the bit in it. And then you have it's just spring-loaded bit. So here it's like, I think it's 2.5, and then you have the 5. On the opposite side, you have Torx and the 6, and the same on the other bit inside. So you have everything to put your bike if you have a loosened screw on your bike. It's not for everyday use, right? It's just like your tool multi-tool that you leave on your saddle bag and then you forget about it. That's your go-to. It's super light. You don't have to carry much weight with it. And once in a while, if you have a flat or whatever, you still have the tire lever, right? So those are fantastic, very compact, very convenient, and you forget about it in your saddle bag and you're done. So this is another bike-specific tools that we make. Another thing that is pretty cool is like the big sets for all mechanics. So with this, you have everything pretty much to cover all the bolts on your bicycle. This torque wrench will go from 2.5 to 25 Newton meters.
Same as mine.
Oh yeah.
Same.
And we have bigger one as well, like this one. This is a push through, so you can do reverse threading torque action. So this is another cool thing. Everything that you see on the table has the same X Plus technology. If you have only one thing to remember about Wera and the bicycle is the X Plus technology. This is just fantastic. This is what's gonna save your bolts on your bicycle and make them last forever. So a bolt on a bicycle can be very expensive. We all know that. So when you work with a bicycle that are $1,000 expensive, make sure that you have the right tools to work with. And we also have some pretty cool custom stickers. So if you happen to be at Mont Saint Anne, just come by to the booth and grab some stickers. Enjoy.
What about the Joker? It's a Joker.
Those are not specific to bicycle. The only one I would say it's specific to bicycle that is fantastic is this little guy for hydraulic hose working. The reason why is if I'm grabbing this one, so this is the same, it just double headed. What it happened is it's self-adjusting wrench, so you can use it on various type of bolts as long as it's in the range. So one half inch or 30 millimeter, whatever, it just fits inside the jaw. You put it on your bolts, and then what you have to do is to just do some ratcheting action. So this is just fantastic. Why I said that it works fantastic on hydraulic brakes hose is that because you have to make sure that you have a perfect fit on the fitting. And the problem is it usually gets oily and slippy. So with those, as long as I put tension on the handle, those jaw will close together and tighten up. So it's very easy to adjust. You can also grab the bolt by the pointy end as well. So very cool product to work with. This is one of my favorite. With those 4 wrench, you can replace pretty much all your wrenches like that. So if you need to work on a very light setup, this could be your go-to. Those are fantastic. Still time. So this is your regular wrench. This is ours. So as you can see, there is some star pattern inside of it and then a metal plate on top. So what happened with your regular one? So usually when you go inside your fastener and you start turning your bolt, at one point you're gonna be stuck because you have to remove it, flip it over, and then at one point you're stuck and you cannot put your wrench anymore. The other thing that is bad with those wrench is if you have a bolt that is sticking out, you have to put your thumbs on top of it so you reduce your wrench, and then you can do this motion with it so you make sure that it doesn't go through. What we did was to create this star pattern as I was saying, and if you go inside your bolt, at this point you can go in, you just have to go over and then drop it on top. So you can just do the ratcheting action on it and not be worried to remove, flip it over and everything. And same thing on this, it can go through, but if I do a quarter turn, then it locks in place and you can use the full length of your wrench. It's also have like the holding function, so that's pretty awesome to work with. If you're assembling something and you don't want to drop your nuts, this is the wrench that you need. So that's pretty much it on what Wera is capable of doing. So it's all about feature. We have holding function, special technology for electrician. We have the laser tips on our screwdrivers. Everything is well thought and make sure to work more efficiently, safer on the bolts, and that's it. Oh, the